Hello people, today I will show you a hosting company. It's called TMD Hosting. I really recommend you to use this hosting provider because you get a free domain and it's really cheap. Okay, we're gonna look around. You get unlimited disk space and unlimited websites you can host. So you can use 10 sites for example for the same price or 20 sites. So I recommend you to use the business plan. Click on sign up. Okay, we're gonna get here our free domain. I'm gonna use example 9000 for example. Okay, and now I will fill out this form. You will must fill out this form. You can choose for 1 year or for 1 month, but I'm gonna do it for 1 year. It's the total price is $82. And I'm gonna check out. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. This is your client area and they got really good support. They will help you within 15 minutes if you send a ticket to them. So it's, yes. They got really good support. Okay. I will show you the client area. And then we're gonna install WordPress in this cPanel. So this is your cPanel, and here you can install WordPress in. So we're gonna use the Softlake's auto installer. In the next lecture we will install WordPress. Thanks for watching.